Sarasota. It's getting to be a negative low tide, but the water's so aggressively pulling everything back that I can't see any shells close to the water, but I do see this adorable little top snail as soon as I walked up to the top rack line. Let's see what else we can find. Super cute. Look at this cute little Atlantic cockle still hinged. Super cute. Pretty lightning whelk just floating around. Super nice. Little crown conch rolling around. Pretty cute, a few little barnacles on it. The waves are rough today. I thought it was going to be calm. I'm going to the little sandbar out here, see if it's easier to walk to where I'm going. It's wild getting over here today. Super wild. But judging from the shells over here, it already looks like it's gonna be worth it. Right away, I see this super beautiful Fabro. Nice orange. Empty. Let's see what else we can find over here. Cute little purplish shark eye. I love when they have the dark color. So pretty. Look at this true tulip. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. It's tiny. I love it. Super cute. This is definitely a good section. I see so many shells here. Don't know where to look first. That's always the problem when you get to a good section. You don't want to miss anything. Nice big banded tulip. Look at this beautiful Fabro just sitting here. So bright and orange. Nice and empty. Very pretty. Look at this beautiful pear whelk. I love when they have the yellow and the brown.